Yochanan ben Zakkai. And we met in Jerusalem. I think it was New York, actually. We met in Jerusalem. Ben Zakkai was never on Masada. But we met in Jerusalem. And I said, you can sit, you're done. And I said, beware. Beware of those Jews tearing down Roman buildings lest they make you build them again. I said, beware of those who carry a tree and someone says, here comes the Messiah. Plant your tree, don't run after those Messiahs. You want to hear my story? You want to hear my story?
Yes!
So I was in Jerusalem. My students tried to whisk me out of the city. They were afraid of the zealots. They were afraid of the extremists. They were afraid of the Sikkim. They were afraid of the Romans. They put me into a coffin. I'm out the door, by the gate of the city. And as I get to the gate, the sentries are about to put a sword into the coffin. They weren't done. They were going to check what's going on. The students say, wait! Out I come. I'm out of the coffin. Start to sneak me out in a coffin. Vespasian, the general of the Roman armies, comes to the very spot where I was taken out of the coffin. And I say, oh, great emperor! And he says, how dare you call me emperor? And then a messenger comes and appoints Vespasian emperor.